Hola and welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Andrew and I'm one of the founders of Sayulita Wellness Center, and we created this retreat for people to come to a safe and beautiful environment to heal and to transform their lives and their minds so they can see life from a different perspective. We set up this retreat on the coast in beautiful Sayulita, and it's a wonderful place. It's sunshine 300 days a year here. We literally live in paradise, and we want to share this with the world. We want to share this with you. Our villa is amazing. It's got a huge terrace. It's got amazing private beach he has access to. We have kayaks, you can go swimming. The place is immaculate. And it's one of the reasons we can create a very powerful experience because it's secluded. And it means it's private, it's behind gated community. Like all the safety that we could possibly have, we have set up for this experience. And so that you're gonna have the ability to go deep within yourself. And you're also gonna be surrounded by nature in a luxury environment. We have 5-star chefs, created meals, we have Mediterranean food, Greek food, wonderful Asian food, Thai, Mexican food, healthy desserts, amazing smoothies, green smoothies, all these different types of vegetables. Our diet is totally anti-inflammatory. We have salmon, we have meat options, we have vegan options, we have vegetarian options. And so everything is really developed and set up in a way that's gonna be perfect for you to have an amazing experience. And the combination of all these elements with the diet, with the medicine, with our team, because our team is one of the top-notch teams that we've been able to put together. I've been doing this work for about 15 years on my own in the mindset space, and my partners have been doing the medicines and the treatments for 14 years. We also have a medical doctor on board that checks everyone in to make sure they're in strong enough physical health to go through the retreat experiences, and he also supervises during the experiences to keep everyone safe. We also have massage therapists, we have facials, we have excursions, we go horseback riding. Now, we've trained and working with hypnotherapists, psychotherapists, some of the best experts we can find in the world we've brought to this place in Mexico, and we're able to cultivate an experience for you to walk through the doorways of transformation that we've done 1,000 times with other people. And we are super proud of that. We would love to make the next one be yours, and this is going to be an incredible experience for you to break through. We've had clients heal from things as PTSD, depression, anxiety, and have massive breakthroughs that completely cleared out the problems that were in their mind and life, and we're able to see life from the other side.
I'm Leslie. I'm just wrapping up my week here at Sayulita Wellness Center. I've been on antidepressants for the better part of 20 years. And I felt like I'd been living under a blanket and stuffing emotions down doesn't do you any good. You have to let that stuff out. So that's one thing that I was able to do here, was really release a lot of that inner struggle and be free from it. It really showed me that everything is love. Every atom in this atmosphere, every person, everything that we're given is just out of love, and that's what's really important. Highly recommend this retreat. Andrew and Keely and Charlie and Nirvana and all of the facilitators, everybody I've met, all of the participants were wonderful. I've got absolute inner tribe for life, and I'm just really grateful. So thanks.